Hi, my name is Attorney Jay Hirschman of the law firm of Bailey and Hirschman. In today's short video, I'm going to address the topic of the difference between a mortgage commitment and a clear to close and why it's important to you and your real estate clients. A mortgage commitment and a clear to close are two key milestones in the mortgage approval process. They occur at different stages and signify different levels of readiness in the process of securing a home loan. A mortgage commitment is a formal document from the lender indicating that the borrower has been approved for the loan subject to certain conditions being met. This occurs after the lender has reviewed the loan application, credit history, and other relevant financial information. The commitment letter typically includes conditions that must be fulfilled before the loan can be finalized. These might include providing additional documentation, such as the title search showing that title is clear, an appraisal of the property, and verifying employment and income details. Also, it could be proof of homeowner's insurance or flood insurance. Receiving a mortgage commitment means a lender is willing to offer the loan, provided that certain conditions on that commitment letter are satisfied prior to closing. It's a critical step towards securing financing, but it does not mean the loan is guaranteed yet. A clear to close is the final approval from the lender indicating that all conditions on the mortgage commitment have been satisfied and you are ready to proceed to closing. This occurs after all the underwriting conditions have been met, the appraisal is complete, and all required documents have been reviewed and approved by the lender. By this point, all the conditions in the mortgage commitment should have been met, including verification of employment. Receiving a clear to close means you can schedule the closing, and most importantly, it signifies the lender's final approval for readiness to fund the loan. So in summary, a mortgage commitment indicates preliminary approval of your loan subject to certain conditions being met, and a clear to close indicates the final approval of the loan and you are okay to schedule the closing. Both are crucial steps in the mortgage process, but the clear to close is the final hurdle before you can schedule that closing. It's important to note that a borrower needs to be comfortable that they can satisfy the remaining conditions in their mortgage commitment prior to releasing any mortgage contingency in the contract. On behalf of Bailey and Hirschman, I want to thank you for your time. I hope you have found this video to be informative and beneficial. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to any of the attorneys at Bailey and Hirschman. Thank you.